Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Zubi Tech. You are working on your site and suddenly you have lost your dashboard access, or you have seen blank page or different type of critical errors like that. To know that hidden errors, we need to turn on debug mode. So there are two ways to turn on debug mode. So let's get started. The first method is to turn on your debug mode is from FTP account. You can access your FTP account via FileZilla or cPanel. Simply log in your FTP account, and in the root directory you will see wbconfig.php file. Open it and there you can turn on your debug mode. If you have access your dashboard like that, so here we can turn on our debug mode via file manager. Let me show you how. Go to your plugin, add new plugin. There in the search bar we search file manager. That is your file manager. Simply install and activate it. When it will successfully install, open your file manager. And in the root directory, you will see wbconfig.php file. Right click and click on code editor. There in the bottom, you will see define wp debug false. So replace that false into true. Save and close it. Now go to site view and press Ctrl F5 for cache clear. There you will see your all hidden errors. So now you can fix your issues. To watch that errors, you can take help from any developer, or you can send that ticket to your support advisor. Stay happy, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.